Okay, we're getting our second colony. We're going to get started. Our first one ended up with hive beetles, and we didn't do a good enough job of controlling them. So we saved some of the honey frames in the freezer, and now what we're doing is following our friend's recommendation. We're going to get the 5 nuke frames that we got today. These are these that have the most bees on them. They're going to go in the very center, and then we're going to put an empty frame on each side, or mostly empty, so they have a place to make a brood frame. And then the honey frames from the old bees are going to go on the outside. And we are going to try the Swiffer sheet method to keep those beetles at bay this time.
Surprised Lee's even over here. I don't like those.
I know. Lily, are the bees staying away from you? Yeah? We have tons and tons and tons of clover for the bees, and our neighbor next door has lots of patches in his field that he has not been mowing, so that they've got some great places to go get pollen right off the bat.
Let's try this again.
That's right. We did this just a little while ago and made a couple mistakes, so we are gonna try it again. That one's not yet. Let me hold it. He has a bee suit on, but I don't. And they are not messing with me at all. Great, gentle bees. Now, do we want to look for the queen each time? See if we can see her. She's going to have a green dot. Let me put my glasses on. I don't see her on my side.
I don't either.
Okay. I know we saw her earlier, so we have her somewhere. Let me see. Let me see with the camera.
In the right side, middle. Right in the very middle, on the right.
Oh, I see
Just
her.
off center.
Hopefully I got her on the camera, but I saw her clear as day. Do you want me to spray some more smoke, or are they doing all right?
This is taking out those little spacers. I think this would probably actually that wouldn't work. Only a few bees were hung in the making of this video.
Right? See, and then we finished the nuke, and now we have a frame that's pretty much empty with on one side and then honey on that side. And we're gonna finish with one with some honey.
Okay, that's way better.
Nice. Awesome. We hope you enjoy your new house.
So that dirt got pretty hard that time. But I'm way better every time.
Me too. All right, guys. We're going to leave you alone for a while. One of the other tricks besides the Swiffer sheets was we were told to leave the reducer in there. We're going to wait until they get really used to their box and they know how to get in and out and they feel comfortable with it, and then we'll put that reducer in probably tomorrow. And that should help the bees that are guarding the box push out those beetles before they ever get in. I know, they got a little mad at you this time because we've been messing with them too much today. Awesome. All right, well, we'll see you in a few weeks when we come check on them again.